Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Marjorie and you're watching Jetersblessings. Today I've got this 14-inch frame and I'm showing you the crossbars. This is from the Dollar Tree. On their two inner rings I'm going to take a green pipe cleaner and place it in the middle. The outer two rings I will place two pipe cleaners in there. Now the only reason I used red and green is simply because I didn't have enough red or enough green to make the entire wreath. So I just made the red for the outside and the green for the inside. But you could definitely use whatever colors you have or on hand. So once I have my my wreath form created, I take my mesh. It's 10-inch mesh that I cut at 20 inches. So this video is going to show how to use one roll on a 14-inch wreath and get a full and lovely wreath out of it. And this is for those that maybe want to save a little bit of money on the cost of wreaths since all the supplies and everything are going up. Now I do like to shop at Craft Outlet and I do like to purchase a lot of my stuff when it's on sale, and they have very good sales going on every day, all day long, and a bunch of new stuff that they get in regularly as well. Now it doesn't look like much now because it's only got like a couple of mesh in there. And I'm just going to show you what it looks like with 3 pieces in one section, and then I'll show you at the end what it looks like fully loaded with the deco mesh. So there's a total of 18 pipe cleaners and 18 cuts. So here it is, all full, ready to go. And the reason I got the 20-inch cuts is because I did 360 inches of the mesh divided by 18, and that is 20 inches. So here I've got my 14-inch tails, and they're both 2.5-inch wired ribbon that I just paired up, and I just make them into a little V shape and add it to the top of the pipe cleaner. And here you can see where it's a little bit thin on the wreath, but don't worry about it because once you have all your mesh and all your ribbon tails added, you cannot tell a difference. Alright, here we are with all the ribbon tails added on, and as you can see, you cannot tell a difference. So I already prepped this sign, and I just stapled 4 of the pipe cleaners on the back of it, and then I'm just gonna scooch in between some of those deco mesh, and I'm gonna go ahead and add those to the wreath frame. Make sure that you're not tying them down too tight. You can tie them down once you've got all 4 corners, and then you can go back and kind of tighten it up if it's not where you want it or how you want it. But I always like to do mine a little bit loose in the front, and you'll get the hang of it as far as how tight you should be tightening your signs down once you do more wreaths. So it's pretty easy. And it's really nice with this mesh. You can just poke right on through the mesh with your pipe cleaners if you need to, or you can just move them over like I do. And here, once I've got all four of them tightened down, then I do go back and just trim them off. And I just leave a little bit of a tail so I can wrap it around the wreath frame and just make it a little more secure, but making sure that the ends of the pipe cleaners are tucked under so no one can get hurt. Now once we have our sign all nice and attached the way we want it, I just try to fluff out some of those ribbon tails because it's really easy for them to get together and get lost. And I've got this gingerbread man, and it came in 5 pieces. Of course, it's from Craft Outlet, and this is just a little tag that I'm cutting off as close to the end as I can without cutting the plush. So it's got the wire in it, and it goes all the way through the hands and the legs. They have it as well. And you just have to kind of weed it through just like we did the pipe cleaners for the sign. And this wire that's actually in here is pretty thick. I want to say it's like maybe a 16 gauge wire. And so it's really stiff, but what I forgot to do here was to make sure that all the wire was in the hand, and the hand's a little flimsy as you see here. Right there where my thumb was is where the end of the wire went. So I do go back later and I go ahead and fix that because it was just really getting on my nerves. And so then I just add on the other arm. Then I add the legs and the head, and I'll let you watch that. Well, I think he came out super cute. Y'all tell me what you think in the comments and maybe what you would do to change it up a bit. Thank you so much for spending time with me today, and you guys have a very blessed week.